Met the owner of Action Home Services, which is John, and he talked about their process, what they would do for us. John took us to tour some of the projects they had recently done. Amazingly surprised with the results that we've seen. We ended up choosing Action Home Services to do our job, and the results are fantastic. Talking about the project managers, we had Renat and Renat. Both those were pretty active with keeping up with the schedule, keeping us informed of what was going on schedule, here every day. Project managers kept us well informed. They were here, worked long hours. They always did a great job of cleaning up. At this point in time, I definitely recommend Action Home Services. What we decided to do is wait till we had one whole season, and we're going to put a review on Home Stars, which we haven't done yet, but certainly I would recommend them. Oh, this is a project that we really should have done 20 years ago, because we're so happy with the results, and we basically spent the whole summer in our new backyard, and it was great.